Hello everyone. Think yogurt is just a breakfast side? Something soft and harmless? Well, what if I told you that for folks over 60, skipping one special kind of yogurt could be quietly draining your muscle strength every single day? This episode is all about senior health and why Greek yogurt might be the missing food in your fight against muscle loss. This is part one of a two-part video, so make sure you stay tuned for the next episode. And don't forget to like or share this video to help someone you care about. Number 1. Greek yogurt is not just healthy, it's a muscle-saving tool. Hey, let's be honest, most people over 60 think of yogurt as something you eat for better digestion, perhaps to keep your gut healthy. But what if I told you that plain Greek yogurt can actually act as a secret, muscle-building food, not just a snack? After age 60, your body naturally loses muscle every year, a condition called sarcopenia. It affects your strength, balance, and even how quickly you recover from a simple fall. According to the National Institute on Aging, this muscle loss happens faster when your meals lack high-quality protein and aren't evenly distributed throughout the day. And that's where Greek yogurt makes a difference. It's not like regular yogurt. It's thicker, contains almost twice as much protein, and digests slowly, providing your muscles with the steady fuel they need to rebuild. And the best part? It's easy to eat, requires no cooking, and is perfect for breakfast, a snack, or even dinner. For senior health, such versatility is a gift. So if you've been ignoring Greek yogurt because you think it's just another dairy product, it's time to think again. Your muscles are expecting you. Comment 1 below if this surprised you or if Greek yogurt is already in your fridge. Number 2. Why missing just one yogurt a day could cost you muscle. Okay, picture this. You wake up, maybe grab some toast and coffee for breakfast. Lunch is late, and you grab something quick. Dinner? You're tired, so you probably just have soup and crackers. Sound familiar? And here's the problem. If you're over 60, your body needs about 25 to 30 grams of high-quality protein at each main meal to maintain muscle. But most older adults only get that amount of protein at dinner, if at all. That means your body spends most of the day in breaking down mode, slowly losing muscle without you even realizing it. This is where Greek yogurt can quietly fill the gap. Just 1 cup in the morning or as an afternoon snack gives you about 15-20 grams of protein, enough to sustain your muscles until your next meal. And because it digests slowly, it continues to work for hours. For senior health, consistency is important. It's not about eating a lot, but about eating smart, distributing protein evenly throughout the day. A missed yogurt may not seem like a big deal, but over time, those gaps will add up, and your strength will pay the price. If you thought spacing out your meals was just a small detail, this next part will show why your gut might be quietly holding back your progress and how it connects directly to your muscle health. Number 3. The quiet link between gut health and muscle loss. Hey, let me ask you something. When was the last time you thought about your gut when trying to stay strong? Most people over 60 focus on their joints, bones, and muscles. But here's the surprise. If your gut isn't working well, neither are your muscles. Why? Because your gut is the gateway to absorbing the nutrients your muscles need, especially protein. And when your digestion slows down or your gut bacteria are out of balance, you won't get the full benefits of the food you eat. Greek yogurt offers more than just protein. It's packed with live probiotics, which help your gut stay balanced. That means better digestion, stronger absorption, and less bloating or fatigue after meals. In a study shared by nutritionists in the field of geriatric care, older adults with better gut health also had better protein retention and stronger muscle responses to resistance exercise. So if you eat healthy but still feel weak or tired, the problem may not be what you eat, but what your body can actually use. Start with a daily dose of plain Greek yogurt, even just half a cup a day. Your gut and muscles will probably thank you. Comment 3 if you've ever felt like your digestive system was holding you back, or if this helps you understand the connection better. Number 4, the bedtime mistake that's slowing your recovery. Hey, let's talk about what happens after 8 p.m. Most older adults finish dinner early, maybe around 6 or 7, and then go to bed around 9 or 10. No late night snacking, no heavy meals. Sounds healthy, right? But here's what your muscles are up against while you sleep: hours without fuel. After age 60, your body loses muscle more easily, and going all night without protein means your muscles are breaking down faster than they're rebuilt. That's especially true if you've been walking, lifting weights, or even just gardening earlier in the day. Greek yogurt is one of the best-kept secrets for supporting muscles at night. It's packed with slow-digesting casein protein, which is exactly what your body needs while you sleep. And unlike meat or a big meal, it's easy on your stomach and won't disrupt your sleep. In fact, geriatric health experts suggest that eating a small amount of protein before bed, even just half a cup of Greek yogurt, can help reduce muscle loss overnight and aid recovery in the morning. It's a small change with big benefits. So next time you brush your teeth and head to bed, ask yourself, did your muscles have a snack before bed? Now, if you're doing your best to eat early and rest well at night, that's great. But the kind of yogurt you pick at the store might be undoing all that effort without you realizing it. Let's take a closer look. Number 5, the supermarket trap. Why low-fat yogurt may be hurting, not helping. Hey, have you ever picked up a low-fat yogurt at the store and thought you were making a smart, healthy choice? You're not alone. Many people over 60 believe that cutting fat automatically means improving health. But here's the catch. Most low-fat or fruit-flavored yogurts are loaded with added sugar and very little protein. That means they give you a quick spike in blood sugar and do little to support your muscles. For senior health, this is a real problem. You need high-quality sustained protein to sustain you, not sugar that just burns off in an hour. And unfortunately, those little containers of yogurt labeled light or non-fat often only have 5-6 grams of protein. Compare that to plain Greek yogurt, which has 15 to 20 grams per serving, no added sugar, and a thicker, more satisfying texture. So, next time you're at the dairy aisle, don't be fooled by fancy labels. Flip the box over. Look for 15G protein, plain, and low sugar. It's a small change that can make a big difference in keeping your muscles strong and your body moving. Comment 5 if you've ever been fooled by labels, or if you're ready to take a closer look at your next grocery run. Number 6, skipping protein after exercise? You're missing Greek yogurt's best moment. Hey, let's take a quick look. You finish your morning stretch, maybe go for a walk around the block, do some light weights at home, then what? A glass of water, a banana, maybe nothing? Here's the thing, right after you exercise, your muscles are at their hungriest. That post-workout period is the best time to prevent muscle loss and kickstart recovery. But if you're over 60 and you skip protein after your workout, your muscles may actually lose mass instead of gaining strength. Greek yogurt is one of the most effective and overlooked tools for senior health right now. It's rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein that helps rebuild tissue and provides hours of recovery energy. And unlike steak or eggs, you don't have to cook anything. Just open the can, stir, and eat. It starts working right away. The truth is, you've already done the hard part, which is staying active. But without this food in your diet, the results won't last. Comment 6 if you've ever worked out without eating anything afterward, or if you're going to add Greek yogurt to your cool-down routine. You know, a lot of people over 60 still think of yogurt as something that's easy to digest, maybe good for the gut, maybe just a breakfast snack. But Greek yogurt is something else entirely. It gives your muscles the slow, steady protein they need, and when you eat it throughout the day, especially between meals or as a snack, it quietly helps slow muscle loss. And if your gut has been feeling off lately, bloated, tired, maybe lacking an appetite, the probiotics in Greek yogurt may be just what your body is missing to properly absorb protein. One of the best times to eat it? Right before bed. Most older adults stop eating after dinner, but while you sleep, your muscles still need support. Greek yogurt kicks in without upsetting your stomach. Just be careful what you pick up at the store. A lot of low-fat or fruit-flavored yogurts are loaded with sugar and have virtually no protein. You want the real thing, the kind that works for you, not just your taste buds. And here's a common mistake: working out and forgetting to eat. That moment after a walk or stretch, that's when your muscles are ready to rebuild. Greek yogurt is simple, quick, and gets to work right away. So it's not magic, but for senior health, it may just be one of the easiest daily habits to start and one of the most powerful to maintain. You know, staying active after 60 takes a lot of effort. You walk, you stretch, you try to eat right. And that's something to be proud of. But here's the thing, working out without fuel is like driving on an empty gas tank. You're putting in the work, but if your body doesn't get the right kind of protein to recover, it can't rebuild what you've just used. Instead of building strength, you can slowly lose it. And that's not fair, because your efforts deserve to pay off. You've earned the right to feel stronger, more stable, more energetic. It's not about doing more or trying harder. It's about pairing the right foods with the actions you've taken. Even now, whether you're 60, 70, or beyond, your muscles can still grow, they can still recover, you just give them what they need. And if all the little changes we've talked about, from how you structure your meals, to the type of yogurt you choose, to what you eat after a walk, if they seem easy to implement, it's because they are. And the reward? More strength, better balance, and the energy to keep doing what you love. So here's the message, plain and simple. Muscle loss after 60 is real, but it's not unstoppable. Just one food, used correctly, can help slow it down. That's the power of Greek yogurt when it's part of a smart daily routine. Don't wait until weakness sets in before you take action. Take care of your senior health now. Stay hydrated, get regular checkups, and build meals that work with your body, not against it. And if this video was helpful to you or made you rethink your daily routine, please give it a follow or share it with someone you care about. We're HEALZO, and we're here to help you be healthier, longer.